friends, y'all ready for the product reveal? If y'all know what product this is, then leave me a comment down below. Now, he's wearing a shirt right now, so we're gonna take his shirt off. Come on, get out of that shirt. Here it is. It's Mr. Clean Freak. Now, this isn't a sponsored video, but I found this product, thought I'd try it out, and I was impressed. You know, it cleans everything. The only thing it says not to use it on is, it says not recommended for copper, untreated wood, of course, unfinished wood. You don't spray any kind of liquid on because the wood would just absorb whatever it is. So you can't use any liquid on untreated wood, unfinished wood, untreated wood. Pretty much the same thing. And it says, or brass surfaces. So don't use it on copper, brass surfaces, or unfinished wood, of course. But other than that, it says safe on granite, chrome, marble, nickel, and finished wood. And obviously we used it on a variety of things in this video. Now, the title of this video is Genius Cleaning Hacks for Lazy People. This isn't really a cleaning hack. This is just cleaning, but I used that title of this video as a shot at all the videos out there that say cleaning hacks, because cleaning hacks is just a buzzword. You know, people are riding the wave of that word for the traffic, which is what I'm doing for this video. So not a cleaning hack, it's just cleaning. You know, spray, squirt, whatever, rub, clean. Until next time, my friends, thanks so much for checking out the video. I will see y'all in the next one.